This just got cooked. Okay, sir. No one's gonna get through a roadblock like this.
Why not build the actual roadblock?
Me. Chris Morris, come here, little buddy. There's a Chris Morris. Oh, don't worry, Chris Morris. We won't hurt you. Just drop your weapon. Chris Morris, no! Why, you little...
We're wasting our time here. Huh?
Someone call 911!
Calm down! We need some towels and hot water!
Of course, I'll be right back! You're right, nothing better than a hot shower.
Masami winked at me this morning. She went like this.
Complicated. Now, I want you all to gather around my desk and witness the true beauty of nature as the butterfly emerges from its chrysalis. And I'm off the clock and don't have to pretend to care about your education.
Help! Help!
Hold on.
I got this.